Finally, the first testnet website got a major revamp and new tasks were added. So without wasting much of your time, I'll show you how you can perform each and every one of these tasks. R2, Spout, Bitfirst, and lending and borrowing. First of all, click on supply, then connect your wallet. Alright, so when you're done connecting your wallet, the next thing you're going to do is claim faucet. You can claim all of them, alright? Just make sure you claim the faucet each day. Alright, so we're done claiming the faucets. Now we have to move forward to, performing transactions on this testnet, okay? So you can see here, supply, and for now there's nothing to supply here. And this is our assets, the assets we have, okay? My PHRS, my USDC, and everything. So what you need to do, as you can see, this is the faucets we just claimed, gold, Nvidia, and Tesla, right? So you can supply any of these tokens you have, be it the ones you had before or the ones you just claimed. But for ease sake, let's do Tesla. Click on supply, and then you input the amount you want to supply. Let's say 1. Click on approve. Alright, so you've successfully supplied 1 Tesla to the pool, okay? So you have to continue doing this until you have achieved up to like 91 transactions, alright? Because that's the maximum threshold of points you can actually get from a particular task. And remember, you can, diversify. You can either use PHRS, supply PHRS, or if you want, supply Nvidia, whatever you want, okay? So just make sure you transact on this network for like 91 times to get the maximum points available, right? So that'll be all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.